how to change country settings on Amazon. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can change the country settings on Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to basically change the country settings on Amazon, previously the settings to change the country used to be at the bottom right, which is the three lines option. Then under settings and services you'll be able to find, but now that option has been removed, as you can see. So this time what you have to do is just come to this little account like page that you can find here. So just come to this account like page, and at the top right you'll find a little icon flag along with the language that is currently selected. So you can actually just tap on that icon there. Now when you tap on that icon, you can simply change the country and region to any of the other country or region that you wish to change to, along with the language. Then just tap on the done option to go ahead and then change it. This way you'll be able to change the country or region on Amazon. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.